Let's look at how to add items and services in LawnPro. Items and services are what we offer to our clients, and we use these to create invoices. We should set these up before scheduling visits with customers. We'll cover two things: adding a new item or service manually and importing items and services from a CSV file. First, let's add a new item or service. We go to the Resource tab, Items and Services. Here we see two options. Once we click the New Items and Services button, we click New Item or Service. First, we need to choose the type, whether it's service, item, labor, or other. Next, we choose the category for this item or service. If we need to add a new category, we can click the plus button next to the category dropdown. Next, we add the name of the item or service. This is what will appear on the invoice. Then, we fill in the quantity and the unit. For example, per hour, square yard, etc. After that, we put in the cost. If the item is taxable, we check this box. If we want this item or service added to all future invoices, we check this box. Then there is a description box where we can add any information about this item or service. Once we're done, we click Save Item or Service. Now let's look at how to import items or services if we have them in a CSV file. We go back to the Resource tab and Items and Services, back to the green Items and Service button, and then Import Items and Services. Just like when we added customers by importing them, we also provide a downloadable sample of what the CSV file should look like. If we click on it, it will download to our device. We can open it and view the columns that are generally needed on the CSV file for importing. I'm going to close that and then use this sample file to import for this video. Here we will map these fields. This is the item or service name, this is the category, and so on. Once we're done mapping, we click Start Import. Alternatively, we can go to the settings icon at the top right and click Import Customer Assets and Expenses, Items, and Services. Here we can import from this section as well.